Hello everyone, welcome back to another section where I will show you how to create your view using the render method, and also we are going to look at how to set up our first template. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So now we are going to disable this this HTTP response method, and then we are going to enable this render method. So as you can see right now, all we need is to just delete this, and then we are going to say def home return render, and now we want to fetch the contents from the contents that we want to output from our template. So to do that, we say request, and then we just say website, and we just say home dot html. Okay, so let me demystify something here. So you see, what happens is when someone makes a request on the web page, like each time that you visit a website, when you click on those menus, let's say you are clicking on the gallery section of that web page, and what you're doing is you are making a request, right? So what happens is if someone clicks on that menu, the gallery, and that URL will send a message to the view, and the view will collect the information that you need to that you're looking for via the template. So that's what is happening here. So let's just create our template. So to create our template, all you need to do is, you see here this our application directory. You need to just click it, and then you need to create a new directory and call it templates, right? And then press enter, and inside the templates directory that we've just created, right click again, and then set another directory, and just give it the name of our website, of our application directory, as you can see. So this is what I did. We are fetching this template from this directory, which is the website, which is this one. So I'll just click here, and then I'll set our template, and I'll give it the name home.html, like this. So this is the standard HTML document, as you can see. So now let's just give it some title. Let's say let's just say GnA Tutors. Perfect. So for now, let's just say let's just put an h1 tag, and let's say hello everyone. Perfect. So our template is done, and our view is done, and our URL is done. So let's just see if it's gonna work. So let's just come here. As you can see, you know, as you are working on your project, as you are making changes, Django will be updating on this terminal, right? So all you need is to click here, and let's see if it's gonna output. And as you can see, our settings have worked. So everything is, for now, is working perfectly. So that's perfect. So see you in the next section, where we'll add more pages to our project.